the rooftop or take the escalator down. So I'm quite sad because that means we can't take any pictures. But it's still really nice, and I think it's just a whole different view, I guess. It feels a bit more cozy. This feels a very nice and cozy day, you know, to look at the streets with the rain, people and their umbrellas. So I think it's still a really good experience, and I guess that means I can always come back again another time with Jordan and be able to take the escalator down. Loki said that it was raining, but I think it's really still so beautiful here. And there's like so many people trying to take pictures, so I'm gonna get my picture taken too. That was so awkward. I think that was the most awkward thing I've ever done. Like, I honestly don't know how to pose, especially if someone's helping me take a picture, because I always feel like so shy and I always feel like so scared to like let it take. So I honestly really need Jordan to be here with me. If not, I cannot take a proper photo for shit. But I think that was a very humbling experience, and it's really quite sad like the photographer cannot take a photo for you. Currently there is this like event here in the Sky Tree where there is like flowers, so it's called like the Flower Valley or something. So it's really quite nice. Even though we can't go up, at least we get to see something that is special and that's not like, you know, always here. Currently in Shibuya. This is my first time here when it's still daylight. Like for the past 7 days, or like past 6 days, sorry, we only come to Shibuya after sundown, and I would say the vibe is really different when the sun is still up. And honestly, Shibuya crossing looks so much more beautiful in the morning. Yeah, because every time I go at night, you cannot really see, like, I don't know, it just feels a little bit different. I would say in the morning it's so much nicer, and I kind of understand why it's so popular now, because for the past few days I just don't understand what's with the hype, you know, like it's just a normal crossing, and then I come and I was like, oh, okay, I get it now. Right, there is really a lot of shops here, and it's really beautiful. We're currently going to go to GU because I went there yesterday to get Jordan's Sun stuff, but then I left my portable in the basket. So fingers crossed I will still be able to find my portable. I got it! Yes, they kept it. I'm so lucky. Oh my god. This portable belongs to Jordan's mom. So thank you, auntie, for lending me a portable. And I would have been so devastated if I lost it. Right, but I got it back. Yay! So I can finally charge my phone because my battery is wet, guys. It's so wet. So, oh god, it's drizzling. I got this jacket from Uniqlo. Honestly, best buy ever. My DJI is not waterproof, so I'm gonna keep my DJI now. So see you guys later. We are having dinner now. So we are at like this sushi conveyor belt place. I have no idea what it's called. Yeah, so it's like sushi roll but different. And honestly, the selection here is insane. Like there is so many like options that you can choose from like fish to like cooked food to like sashimi. And like in Singapore, you will never be able to find such a huge variety of like sushi. So I got a few stuff, but I'm quite basic with my sushi. I don't really take fish, like raw fish. I take more like cooked fish. Did I order 2 of the same thing? Oh, one is imitation and then I think one is no curd. Okay, so we'll start off with the first one. So this is going to be like a mini mukbang because we're going to go through the whole process here. So I got the, let me focus on this, the clams one, some razor clam sushi, and this is supposed to be like the snow crab, and this is the imitation meat. So like the imitation and the snow crab kind of look the same, but the snow crab obviously looks nicer. Okay, and I got the cheese. There we go. And then I also got an octopus. Okay, now we're gonna try them all. Is there a bowl for us to put the what or not? To put the soya sauce. Oh, here. Damn. I also got the strawberry sour. Yesterday I tried the sour lemon or lemon sour. And today I'm trying the strawberry one. I almost died yesterday, but that's okay. So they got soy sauce. We also got vinegar, ponzu vinegar. I'm gonna eat first, okay? Friend ordered this. I have no idea what is this. And this is kimedai. Things that I will never eat. And our table is gonna be filled. So I'm gonna start eating first so that we can clear. So we're gonna try the snow crab first. Cheers, everybody. Don't know whether this will be better than the other sushi we ate. The one we spent like how much on. Wait, that is fish, it's not chicken, is it? Yeah, then no, then I don't want it. Tastes quite good. I'm gonna try the strawberry sour. I don't know how I'm gonna stir it though, because it feels like the syrup is all the way down at the bottom. Wow. It's thick. I gotta find some way to stir these, man. I don't know how. I stir it with my chopstick. Because on top is all the alcohol and it's damn freaking strong. I won't do this if I have a stirrer. So please don't come at me. Oh, so much better. After you stir the syrup, then it's so much sweeter because like the top was the alcohol. This one's good. This one's better than the lemon one. Now I'm going to try the imitation crab meat. This one. Okay. It's honestly really very different from Singapore's crab meat. But I think it's a very good kind of different. And now I'm going to try the razor clam. It's usually red, so I'm quite surprised that this time it's like grayish color. Compared to like sushi roll and all, it's very slimy. So no, I'm not gonna eat the other one. Very slimy, no, not nice. Now I'm gonna try the prawn with cheese. Anything cheese. Oh, I dropped my whole freaking prawn in the soy sauce. So now it's like it's gonna be salty. Oh, this looks damn good also. Okay, let's give it a whirl. That was salty. But it's good. I ordered french fries. Oh, it's so hot there. I like barbecue sauce though. There's no taste to it.
BBQ.
Yes. Okay, so there's supposed to be a powder, but she forgot to give it to me. Also, now I'm gonna try the octopus. I love octopus, like in this kind of form. I think it's really good. So hopefully it doesn't disappoint me. Ayo. It's not bad. It's not very chewy. Very easy to bite. I would say the quality of food here is very aligned with the price. Oh, I got the barbecue. Reminds me of Singapore seaweed shaker fries. Now that looks better. Let's try it. You should try it. But this is like a 3-in-1. Kombi! Yakuniku beef.
I put no mayo.
This is a scallop with basil and cheese.
Many years.
The scallop is really soft. And the basil is quite strong. I think it's meat. I want all of this again. Okay, that's it for the sushi mukbang. I hope you guys had fun because I had fun, but not with the food.